In this video, I am going to teach you 9th standard drawing theory, unit number 4. Unit number 4 is divided into two parts. This is part 1 video. What is there in unit number 4? It is based on sculpture and architecture of Gujarat. So these all photographs which you can see are the specimens of architectural wonders of Gujarat. It could be mosque, it could be temple, or it could be step well, anything in which there is beautiful sculpture and carving and all those things done. Now, according to Sir Sidney Colvin, sculpture is the action of art or art of processing by carving, modeling, or welding any soft or hard material. Now, there are two types of sculptures: sculpture in round and sculpture in relief. Now, here I will show you the example of sculpture in round. The Statue of Liberty is known as sculpture in round since it is carved out from all the sides. While here, the sculpture which you can see is carved on the wall or embossed on the wall, right? The back side is flat. You cannot go behind the sculpture and see the same thing. Am I right? So this type of sculpture is known as sculpture in relief. Now according to the textbook, what is given? A relief is a sculptured art work in which the top layered part is flat and only the front part is shaped by carving. Examples of sculpture in relief are statues on walls or currency coin. These all things. One more example I will show you. Say this sculpture done on the wall, right? Embossed thing, that is known as sculpture in relief. Now we come to sculpture in round. The Statue of Unity, Sardar Patel statue, is an example of sculpture in round. It is carved out from all the sides. From any side you can see this sculpture. In this type of sculpture, the figures are presented in complete three-dimensional form and are not having flat back. Here, carving is done from all the four sides. In this type of sculpture, length, breadth, or width, thickness, or depth are taken into consideration. These are another examples of sculpture in round. The statue of god or goddesses, right, around which we can do pradakshina, or any of the statue of any great person. These all are the examples of sculpture in round. So here we complete the topic of sculpture, two types of sculptures, its explanation and examples. Now we come to the next topic, and that is architectural wonders of Gujarat. In that, the first architectural wonder which we are going to study is shaking minaras or shaking minarets. Okay. Now, here you can see the image of a mosque in which at the entrance of the mosque you can see two minaras. Okay. These minaras are known as shaking minaras. Why, that I will explain you just now. Today we are going to learn about the mysterious architecture of Gujarat. Now this is a mysterious architecture. From the name itself you can make out shaking minaras. Now this thing is constructed from stone. Now how can this minara shake? It is a mysterious thing, right? So shaking minaras is a distinctive achievement of Muslim architecture, and it is unique attraction of Ahmedabad. It is located in Ahmedabad and was constructed during the Sultanate era. A well-known pair of two, in total 4 minares can be seen. Now where can we see this type of shaking minaras in Ahmedabad? It could be seen in two mosques. The first one is Sidi Basir's mosque in Sarangpur area near the opposite Sarangpur railway station, and another in Bibiji's mosque in Gomtipur area. Both the places there are a pair of minaras. Now here you can see in this minara, the upper part of that minara has been broken. Now Sidi Basir's mosque was built in the reign of Sultan Ahmad Shah through the Irani architect Sidi Basir. And due to this Irani architect's name Sidi Basir, this mosque was also named as Sidi Basir's mosque. It can be said that this Minaras is a lovely combination of skill and wisdom. The construction of the mosque is beautiful. On entering the door, we can see the artistic carving of Muslim style of architecture. There is a circular staircase inside the minaras through which we can climb up. So internally there is a circular staircase to climb up, and there are 3 stories, 3 floors, first, second and third. You can climb up till there. On each floor are beautiful artistic carved windows and balconies. You can go outside here and you can see the balconies on each floor, which is supported by beautiful carving. See here you can see this thing, it's the balconies are supported with this beautiful supports, carving done on them. Now we come to the point that why are these minaras known as shaking minaras? Okay, it is because if one of the minara is shaken, then the other also starts shaking on its own. This is a mysterious phenomena. How to shake the minara, that also I will explain you. You cannot push from here. Practically, you will have to climb up the stairs, go upstairs to the 3rd floor, last floor. Okay, and if you climb up on the minara and if you press on the wall, if you give pressure on the wall, then you will experience that your minara is shaking little bit. At the same time, if your friend or somebody else who has come with you will climb on the other minara, that person will also experience the same shake. Okay, so this is a very mysterious phenomena, that first of all, how can this minara shake? And if you push this minara, how can the shake be experienced on the other side minara, right? The relation between these lifeless stones is just a mystery. Till now, none of the best architects or design engineer is able to find the reason of how does this minara shake. How this minara shake is a mystery in today's world of science. Mysterious shaking minaras is the unique achievement of art of Islamic architecture. Now we come to the last topic of the video, and that is Rudra Mahalay at Siddhapur. Now here you can see the broken gate of Rudra Mahalay at Siddhapur. Okay, it is almost in broken condition, it is in ruins. Fine, but then too, since it is there in the course, so I am explaining you. Siddhapur is the city located in Part-1 district of Gujarat. It is a historical place located on the bank of river Saraswati. This place was under the rule of Solanki dynasty. This place is named as Siddhapur due to the name of the ruler Siddharaj Jai Singh. Rudra Mahalay, meaning Temple of Shiva, was constructed by Siddharaj Jai Singh in 12th century. At present it is in ruins, means it has been broken down. The temple is not existing right now. Right now whatever description which is given in the textbook is all just made due to the imagination and calculations of the archaeological department. In fact, the temple is not existing right now, only the entrance gate and little bit part is there. So at present it is in ruins. Its 4 pillars along with artistic elegance is still present today. Now we will have a look at what the actual Rudra Mahalay would be according to the archaeological department. First thing, the dimensions. The length of the temple was 70 meters and the height was 49 meters. It's not height, but it may be width. Width is 49 meters. Its summit height was 150 meters. It was a 2-storied structure. It had 3-storied shikhar, 1600 pillars, 12 entrance doors, central mandap and porches on east, north and south sanctum in the west. In the auditorium of the temple, on all the walls was done the carving of incidents from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Around the temple, there were 12 signs of Rudra. The eastern gate was adorned with beautifully carved toran, with a flight to the steps leading to the Saraswati river. Beautiful location it is. The ornamentation, that is the carving work done on the temple was exuberant, as shown by the elaborate and detailed carving of the pillars and the beautiful toran. Fine. So here we complete this topic, and now we meet in the next video. Thank you.